Hi, this is Tim from latest3dsgames.com, and today we're just going to unbox a new purchase I got, which is Lego Star Wars 3 on the Nintendo 3DS. We're going to just quickly unwrap it, and then we're going to have a quick look at the menu and a quick look at the gameplay as well. So as you can see, it's just standard 3DS. You get your instructions, of course. You get your Nintendo points and the game cartridge. Pretty standard stuff. So what we'll do now is we'll have a quick look at the game. I just to let you know, I picked this one up actually. I'm in the UK, so I picked it up from Game, who have actually got some really good offers on the odd weekends, and this one was actually $19.99, which is a really good price in the UK. Usually I do pick up my games at Amazon, but Game have got some really good deals at the moment. Okay, let's have a look at the menu. Okay, and we're at the main menu, as you can see. It's not too exciting. You've just got new game and load game and options. We'll just have a quick look in the options, see what's in there. Here you just got your volume, your sound volume, your language where you can change that, and credits. So there's not an awful lot in there which you can change. So what we'll do is we'll do a new game. It's just saving the game, and we'll go into the main part of it now. Okay, we're just having a real quick look at the gameplay just at the start of the game. Just go into one of the files. Okay, this is just the start of the game, and I think, yeah, you just go over to the table, press A to activate the first part, and go into mission select, press A again, and it'll start us off with ambush. And you can read all the story. We won't do that, otherwise we could be here a while. And we're just going to the start of the first level. Okay, and these cutscenes, I had a quick look earlier, and these are in 3D. It's a bit of a subtle effect, but still very nice. Turn the sound up. Sounds very Star Warsy. Got all the music, familiar music. Sound effects are very good. And the cutscenes look really impressive. Okay, just going a very quick look at the first level, and we're on with Yoda here, picking up your familiar Lego pieces. And chop down cactuses and things. Okay.
Oh no.
Whoops. And that's how you fall down. And again.
Uh-oh.
Okay, we'll see if we can just take these two out quickly. too much problem. Okay, and as you can see, you pick up the little tiny pieces as you go along. Okay. Graphics are very good. And we'll run through more parts of the game in a further video, so we'll just leave it here, showing you the very first parts of the game. And we'll also do a review as soon as we can on this. Might be next week sometime by the time I can get around to doing a review. I've got a bit of a catch-up review session to do. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the website, which is latest3dsgames.com. Okay, we'll see you again soon.